Hello children. In the last class I explained the poem Don't Quit, right, which was written by Quentin Howell. Now we will go through the exercise which are given in this poem. Okay. First one is listen and repeat. This is for you to understand the phonetics of the words like will, bit, about, are, uphill, quit. Okay, we'll go column wise. Will, uphill, till, bit, quit, sit, about, out, shout, are, far, car. So you can understand the sounds of the given words. Okay, will, uphill, tilt, till, bit, quit, sit, about, out, shout, are, far, car. I hope you understand. Now in the page number 2, word power, match the following. There are two columns given, A and B. A is there are some words, 4 words given. You have to make the pair or meaning, right, of these words. You have to find out the words in column B which are synonyms of these words. Okay, first one is tint. The word tint is a color, so you can match it, tint, to the color. Queer. What is the meaning of queer? Queer means ajeeb, strange, right? So this is the match for queer. Now uphill. Uphill, ऊपर की तरफ जाना या चढ़ाई चढ़ना. It means difficult. Okay, so this is difficult. And last one is trudging. Trudging means moving slowly, walking wearily, which is the second option given here. So this is the exercise number A in match the following. Now we go to the exercise number B. Here you have to arrange the letters in a meaningful and make meaningful words like U, F, D, N as given here. You can make, if you will arrange, you can make a meaningful word, funds, right? There are 4 letters given in the second T, B, D, E. You can make D, E, B, T, det. Third set of letters is U, T, I, Q. It has got no meaning. You have to make a meaningful word out of it. If you make Q, U, I, T, quit. Quit means give away, give up, right? I, K, C, T, S is the next set of letters. You can, if you arrange S, T, I, C, K, it will become stick. You know the meaning of stick, right? So this was the second exercise of this page. Now I am going directly to the B. Question answer I will give you in one go. When things work with a partner and choose the correct answers. When things go wrong. When things go wrong. Here 4 options are given. What you should do? We should take rest. We should quit. We should quit. We should not quit. Right? When things go wrong, we should take rest, little rest. Right? The moral of the poem is we should face the difficulties of life. We should enjoy our success only. We should run away from the difficulties of life. Here also the answer is A. We should face the difficulties of life. Right? Now, going ahead, here a poem is given. Read the poem and answer the questions based on it. Live like a lotus with water all around, to quit those that are needy when God makes you sound. Live to be humble and polite. Give a problem manly fight. With a will firm as a rock, never treat it as a mock. Right? So let me first explain it to you. Live like a lotus with water all around. लोटस का मतलब आप सभी जानते हैं, कमल. इट्स अ फ्लावर. राइट? जो पानी चारों तरफ जहाँ रहता है वहाँ कमल उगता है. तो हमें एक इस तरह से रहना चाहिए, जस्ट लाइक अ लोटस. राइट? टू हेल्प दोज आर नीडी व्हेन गॉड मेक्स यू साउंड. अगर ईश्वर ने आपको सामर्थ्य दिया है, इफ यू आर good enough to help someone, you should do that. Those who are in need, you should have always try to help them. Right? Live to be humble and polite. Humble and polite both has the same meaning. Right? विनम्र. अगर आपके पास चीज़ें हैं जिस पर लोग आमतौर पर घमंड करते हैं, तो आपको उन चीज़ों पर, चाहे वो रुपया, पैसा, ताकत, जो कुछ भी हो, you should not be arrogant. आपको कभी उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना है. यू शुड बी हम्बल एंड पोलाइट. गिव अ प्रॉब्लम मैनली फाइट. अगर कोई डिफ़िकल्टी आती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है, तो मैनली फाइट मतलब लाइक अ रियल मैन आपको उससे लड़ना चाहिए. विद अ विल फर्म एज अ रॉक. आपकी इच्छा शक्ति एक चट्टान की तरह मजबूत होनी चाहिए. एंड नेवर ट्रीट इट एज अ मॉक. और इसको कभी भी, जो जीवन में परेशानियां आती हैं, उसको कभी मजाक नहीं समझना चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट मॉक. यू शुड नॉट ट्रीट इट एज अ मॉक. सो दिस इज द पोएम. अब इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको आंसर देने हैं. राइट? हाउ शुड वी लिव? Right? How should we live? I am giving the answer of this. How should we live? We should live like a lotus. Right? That's all. Very small answer. Question number 2. What is that? Who should we help? We should help the needy. Needy means one who is in need of something, who is in need of your help. You should help the needy. Right? And full stop, of course, after all the sentences. Number 3, how can we get over our problems? How can we get over we can get over our problem by giving it a manly fight. This is the answer. We can get over our problem by giving it a manly fight. Now, question number 4 of this. What should our will be like? Our will should be like a rock. मैंने आपको बताया था चट्टान की तरह होना चाहिए, राइट? लास्ट वन, व्हाट शुड नेवर बी ट्रीटेड एज अ मॉक एंड व्हाई? Problems of the life should never be treated as a mock because they are the tests of a person. That's all. So this is a unseen poem, right? The poem which was given to you, which you have not seen earlier, and some questions have been asked from that poem, so you should be able to answer those by reading the poem. This is very important because it decides where you are understanding that or not. Once again, here let's write, match the lines under column A with the lines under column B and write them below. When things go wrong, all the answers you will get here in the poem itself. When the things go wrong, as they sometimes will. This is number 1. As they, you have to write it here. As they sometimes will. Rest if you must. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. This is number 2. As every one of us. As every one of us sometimes learns. Success is failure turned inside out. So this is also solved.